Hello and welcome to the awareness session of program elective course Microwave Engineering for BTech 7th and 8th semester. I am Suvarna Kadam. So let us start with the awareness session. As you are very much aware that microwave engineering is a program elective course which falls under subject communication. Uh, if you see the marking scheme, you will have a program elective 5, program elective course microwave engineering as a elective 5. So it is associated with its lab. So elective 5 theory will have 100 marks evaluation scheme, and its lab will have a 25 marks of the evaluation scheme. So as we have already discussed that it falls under the area communication. Then we'll see the teaching scheme. There will be two lectures per week, so it is mapped to the 2 credits, and then you will have an internal evaluation of 20 marks, midterm evaluation 30 marks, end term evaluation will be of a 50 marks, so total 100 marks will be there. So, course objective, the first objective is to develop students' understanding of microwaves and the advantage of waveguides over the conventional transmission lines. Then enhance knowledge of active and passive components which is used for microwave systems and their corresponding theories to understand their functionality. Third is a develop proficiency in applying microwave measurement techniques truly understanding measuring devices and setups. The next one is the course outcome. So you can see here that on the completion of this course, the student must be able to compare the conventional transmission lines with the waveguides, which are the microwave transmission lines. Then they must be able to apply the theory of passive microwave components to design scattering matrices and compare active devices performance. Then they must be able to compare active and microwave components and devices. Then they must propose appropriate microwave measurement mechanism for microwave parameters. So these are the course outcomes. The next one is nothing but just the I can say introduction to the syllabus. What is there in the syllabus? So unit 1 is an introduction to microwave and waveguides, whereas you are having an introduction to microwave and a microwave communication system, its advantages, disadvantages. Then you will come to know what are the microwave hazards and ISM application. Then waveguides, as we are using it for the microwave application. Then comparison of waveguide with conventional transmission line, types of waveguides, now how that waves passes through this waveguide. So what are the modes of the propagation, TM, TE, then TM, and then finally we'll study about the cavity resonator. So this is all about unit number 1. Unit 2 deals with the microwave passive components. So you must be aware of the scattering matrices to understand the performance of passive components. So there is a detailed study of scattering matrices and their applications, and microwave tees, directional couplers, and ferrite devices. So these are the unit 2 contents. Then unit 3, it is all about the active components, whereas we are going to study transistor, diodes, what are the sources of microwave, what are the what are the transmission lines which are using for the microwaves, what is the monolithic microwave integrated ICs, what are the EMI, and what is the EMCs, that is electromagnetic interference and electromagnetic conduction kind of thing. So all the study of active components will be in the unit number 3. Unit number 4 deals with the microwave measurements, that it is not possible to use conventional methods to measure the microwave frequency. Then we are going for different setups. So what are that setups that we are going to study in this unit number 4? So there will be the measurement of frequency, power, attenuation, phase shift, PSWR, impedance, insertion, noise factor, and a quality factor. So this is all about the syllabus of your microwave engineering. So these are some textbooks, reference books, NPTEL course links. So you can pause this video and you can go through all textbooks, reference books if you are interested. I'm moving further towards the lab. So it is having a lab of say there is a 2 hours practical session per week. So it is mapped with the credit 1. It is having a 25 marks of the term work. So you can go through the objectives and outcomes. So I'm just highlighting some of the outcomes, whereas you must be able to develop the microwave bench using equipment and learn characteristics of microwave component. You must be able to measure the microwave parameters, frequency, wavelength, PSWR, and then power. Then you must be able to develop the setup for measurement. Okay, you must be able to understand how to use a network analyzer, what is the S parameter. So these are some of the outcomes of this lab. This is the list of experiment, whereas you are having a 13 experiments. You can see the first two experiments are first experiment is about components, 2 and 3 are about the microwave sources, 4, 5, 6, 7 these are about the passive component, 8 and 9 is about the measurement, then 10 is about antenna, 11 again S parameter measurement, and 12 is again about the measurement, which is the impedance measurement, and 13 is to prepare the presentation on recent developments in the microwave engineering. So this is the list of experiment, whereas 8 are mandatory. Next is the reference books. So these are the reference books which you can refer for the lab. So this you can pause the PPT and pause the video and you can see. Now, why to opt this subject? So, opting for the subject microwave engineering can offer several benefits for electronics and telecommunication engineering students. So, some of the key advantages that you get a specialization in high frequency technology, whereas very few researchers or very few peoples are working in this area. The scope is very large. So, what are the career opportunities? You can work as a telecommunication engineer, RF engineer, antenna engineer, radar system engineering, wireless network engineer, research and development, where there is a huge scope in this particular microwave engineering for research, where you can work in the aerospace and the defense, then academia and research institute, whereas you can teach these kind of technologies to the students and you can contribute in the research institution. So this is all about the program elective course microwave engineering. So we will stop here. Thank you.